CadConnect enables you to create customer quotes directly in Business Central without generating unnecessary ERP data. Only when a quote becomes a confirmed order is the data added to the system, ensuring your ERP remains streamlined and free from unused records if the customer doesn't proceed. Sometimes there's a need to create a variation of existing products in Business Central. For example, a customer might request the same product they ordered for years ago, but with a few modifications. Here we want to update the unit price and save this into a new variant of our existing products. With CadConnect, you can import product data from Business Central, generate a new item for the updated product, apply the necessary changes to the bill of materials and routings, and finalize the creation of the new product. Once completed, the new product is fully prepared for production order creation. Now the unit price is changed, and you will be able to see it when generating a sales quote.